In this video, we're going to talk about 1.2 Objective 4. We determine whether a study or publication has potential for bias. So let's determine whether there is a potential for bias and explain our answer. A researcher for the Department of Transportation surveys 3,200 randomly selected adults by asking them if they possess a valid driver's license. Let's choose the best answer. There does not appear to be any sources of bias because the researcher has nothing to gain by distorting the results, and the Department of Transportation is likely to use sound sampling methods. So that's C. Question 2, let's determine whether there is a potential for bias and explain our answer. A magazine which does not accept free products or advertising from anyone prints a review of new cars. So there does not appear to be sources of bias because the magazine does not accept free products or run advertisements. It is most likely not influenced by the manufacturers of the cars that it reviews, which is D. And then C, determine whether there is a potential for bias and explain your answer. A company hires independent university scientists to determine whether its new genetically engineered soybean poses any threat to the environment. So there is a potential possibility of bias here because the scientists were hired, so they receive funding from the company that wants its product tested. So even though it's an independent research firm, it's an independent research firm that's being paid and hired by the company to try and prove a certain thing that the product is good, right? It would be best if a outside research firm just did this on their own without any funding from the company itself, and didn't have any interest one way or the other in the results. So there's a potential for bias there just because there's money changing hands and people might want to make the people that are paying them happy and give them the results that they want. All right, let's go ahead and look at 1.2 Objective 5 next time. We'll see you for the next video.